I'm just
Ooh,
showing
look at
because
those. I like those puka shells.
yeah,
The ones you have in your right hand, Brittany? Oh, yeah.
That's a big one. We went to
Yeah.
anniversary, wedding anniversary.
For who?
80th birthday. I will not win. 80th birthday. Mimi.
Mimi.
You know Mimi?
Mimi,
Labrador.
Labrador, okay.
Yeah.
Huh?
I used to wheel over.
That's it.
I can't.
Where did the girls go?
Can we, sir?
They're checking out how they look.
Come here, Les, let me see.
Oh, it's pretty.
Oh, wow. I like those.
Yeah, just
I like
go
that
ahead.
dark one on
Just
you.
the heck of it. Yeah.
Very
Let
pretty.
me see yours, Chrissy.
How about this? You like this? How about Matt?
I think he wants a necklace.
What kind of necklace?
Seashell necklace?
You want necklace? Huh?
Yes.
Wait, I'm gonna show wait, I'm gonna show you. Wait. Those are old. Wait, Matt.
Right now because I want
Would what?
Okay. Put it in the room where you're going to sleep. Okay, go put it in there.
Which room?
Just put it somewhere in there. Put it on the bed. That'd be good. Banana. Here, put this on. Put on these on the bed too.
Wait, I'm gonna get.
Which bed?
Where I'm going to sleep.
I don't know.
Wait, I
Where
gotta
all
get.
my clothes are. Where Brittany's showered and everything. Right past the bathroom.